Don't go shared hosting for your website.
Yeah.
It's basically if you don't have the money for a big server, somebody else has it, and they will get the server, they will split the resources on it, and they will sell a slice of that for a very small price. Other people are doing what's called overselling, which means sell it twice. I mean, sell 150% of the server or something like that, so they can sell it cheaper to much more people. And as soon as you got some traffic in there, you would reach a limitation, a CPU limitation. So your website will go slow directly, which is good because they did that to protect the other customers on that server. So at that point,
4 days her sites were down.
they weren't able to do anything for us to get the server up until they changed the backup power, the main power line, and everything related. So like 4 hours, we didn't have access to the data hosting on that server. We didn't have data to anything related to that outage. From that point, I doubled my backup. We still had backups at that point, but it was also a mess and very hard to restore everything.
But this brings me into, I think, the topic, which I think we all can agree on is a good hosting platform, and that is going to be the cloud hosting, which Carl, I'm gonna let you drive a little bit on that and explaining what cloud hosting is and how it's really beneficial for your business.
The more resources you need or your website needs, they can easily be allocated to your environment, right? And you can
Right.
scale up or scale down as needed. It costs a lot more to run it and to manage it, but ultimately that's where you want to be is in cloud hosting for those particular reasons.
And now, since they are offering managed hosting, especially for WordPress, it's optimized for that. You'll enter your username and password and a few other details, and in, I don't know, 20 minutes, depending on the website, it's live on their servers. I won't manage WordPress servers. I will manage servers at the end of the day that are behind the platform like this. I see the same people doing the same kind of jobs, but I would say
I think, on our side, Carlos, we manage a lot of sites that at one point, needed AWS, but like when a Pressable product came, it made more sense because it was easier to manage and it was more cost effective.
So definitely cloud hosting is where